Hello friends, this video explains how you can add depth of field effect in Photoshop. So it is very simple to add the depth of field effect. So here I have opened one image in the Photoshop, and I'm gonna just add one text before I show you how to add the depth of field. So let us say this is one text that I've added here. I'll change the color of the text. So there is one text, and behind that text layer there is this image. So what I want to do is I want to add the depth of field effect to this background image. So for that, what you have to do is you have to unlock this layer by double clicking on this lock button. Once you do that, you have to go to the filter and then click on blur, then click on Gaussian blur, and from here you can adjust the depth of field effect. So like that, you can see the background image is getting blurred. So basically it is the depth of field effect. That's how you can achieve the depth of field effect in Photoshop. It's very simple. Just add the Gaussian blur for the image that you want to put into the background or make it unclear. And main purpose of this depth of field effect is that whatever is in the front gets into focus. As you can see, the soft post.org, that text is getting a lot of focus or attention because of the blur effect or the depth of field effect to the background image. Thanks for watching this video.